Imagine if communication still needed wires, or if the only way to send data was using paper. We've come a long way in the last century. However, we still carry water from point to point, even though we've built extensive infrastructure around the globe. We think we know what's in plastic water bottles today, but do we? Today, few bottled water brands are filled at source, and even then still need filtration. Usually, big bottled water brands use city water, which is filtered, then bottled, then shipped to warehouses, redistributed to stores and supermarkets, and finally sold to the consumer for mucho dinero. Used and tossed in landfills to sit there for a few hundred years. Only about 10% of plastic bottles worldwide ever get recycled. The logistics of the 19-liter containers, which is usually delivery service, from manufacture, filter, fill, distribute, redistribute, pick up empties, transport back to wash and refill, store, then redeliver over and over and over, feels like we're still using horses. All that labor, waste of space, time, and energy, the excessive carbon emissions, traffic, and unhealthy exposure to sun and heat, not to mention the handling or the hygiene of it all. There must be a better way. What about our safety? There is strong evidence that suggests many dangers associated with plastic water containers, especially when exposed to heat or sunlight, or simply mishandling. The For Life Shore Water System provides guaranteed quality water filtration at your fingertips. We save you money, we install and maintain, including all parts, filters, and labor costs. And we guarantee the water you drink, all at a lower cost than your current water delivery service, and in a sustainable, friendly, and green manner. For Life's Sure Water System uses the best microfilters to provide the optimal in drinking water specification for your consistent health and satisfaction. Once your water is filtered, it is stored in the surgical stainless steel tanks, where UV light sterilizes the water to make sure it remains bacteria-free, ready for your enjoyment at the press of a button in hot, cold, or room temperature. From wired to wireless, from paper to paperless, from bottle to bottleless. For life, everything we do is for life.